Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay in Agoda without credit card. So if you guys don't have any credit card, you don't need to worry that you can still book in Agoda, and I'm going to show you how. So first, you need to search your needs. For example, I want to see or I want to book a hotel, for example. So I'm going to click on hotels and choose a date. For example, I want to book for tomorrow. Click on OK and then click on search. Okay, so here are the results. You just wait. Okay, so before you proceed to a payment or to a booking, you need to filter it first. So I'm going to do some filters. So you can just click on all filters, and here scroll down until you find the payment options, and just click on book without credit card to show the hotels that is allow you to book without a credit card. Okay, just wait again. Okay, so here are the hotels options. So you can just click on hotel, for example, and check availability. Okay, so here for example, I want to book this one room right here. Just click on book. Okay, so here at the payment details page, you can just scroll down to choose the payment method. You can just click on change payment here to see the other payment method that you can use. So this is credit or debit card, so you can just skip on that. You can just scroll down. You can use a digital payment, cash counter payment in a supermarket, or bank transfer, or you can also add use a monthly payment. So I'm going, for example, I want to use my bank right here. Just click on that. So when you do that, when you're done, just click on book and proceed the payment. Okay, so that's so easy. That is how you can pay in Agoda with a credit card. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.